Alright guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unboxing and review and setup on my new portable car display. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's go take a look at it. You don't have like CarPlay, AirPlay, Android Auto. This definitely comes in handy. Check it out. Very nice size display. Here are the different ports, the Type-C port to power it up, micro SD card slot. You have a port here for the backup camera and a one for the auxiliary for sound. You also get the instruction manual. This is so you can mount it on the dash. This is to power it up to the cigarette lighter. Like I said, it is a Type-C. They actually give you an auxiliary and the backup camera. So let's go ahead and actually just set it up super quick, and then we'll take it out to the car and see how it actually looks. And they also do give you an extra 2 adhesives as well. So all you got to do is just take this piece right here. We'll put it through back here, and it'll lock right in place. And then you're able to adjust this as needed. So we'll put that on our dash like so. So let's actually go to the car and test it out. All right, so I just plugged it in. As you can see, this is the first screen that it loads onto. It took about 5 seconds to just get it hooked up. You got your Bluetooth music. If you got music or anything on the SD card, it'll play it there. And there's the view for the backup camera. And if we scroll this way, you got your CarPlay, your Android Auto, the phone link, and then your audio. So we'll go to the audio just so you can kind of see the options. So you have the Bluetooth. So if you want to hook it up directly to your car's Bluetooth, you can do that. If you go to the FM transmission, you'll just sync this one directly through a radio station that it puts on here, and you can cast it that way through the auxiliary, and then lastly right on here. So let's go ahead and actually try it out. So we'll hook it up to the CarPlay first, and as you can see, it'll tell you exactly how to do that. So we'll go ahead and hook it up to our Bluetooth. All right, so it is doing the pairing request, and there it is, ready to go. Awesome. So let's go ahead and actually just start trying it out. So we'll first go to our podcast, and then we can just pick, let's do this one. Lesson 16. As you can see, it's got a built-in speaker as well, so you don't have to worry if you don't have the other option. But as you can see, very smooth, loaded everything very quickly. Let's go back. Well, actually, let's go here. Pause that. Back. Let's try out. Let's go ahead and try out Audible. Let's load this one.
We had an opportunity to take what was a very expensive for that time.
Very cool. So you can listen to your books on there, your podcasts, and then as well as your music will also load on here. Back here. You can see it loads up all your applications, and then probably the most favorite one is usually the maps for people, because usually people are either traveling and they want like a larger display like this one, or they're doing Uber Eats, DoorDash, and it's just nicer to have an external display if you don't have one in your vehicle, just so you can see everything a lot clearly. And as you can see, the maps looks really good on there as well. So now let's go back to the main home screen. Here. All right, so now let's go actually try out the phone link option. As you can see, you can actually mirror your iPhone or Android device. So let's go ahead and see how to do the mirroring part of it. And here are the instructions on how to do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that on my phone now. Go ahead, I'm gonna hit join, and it's joining it now. Perfect. Bam, there it is. So as you can see, I'm able to see everything from my phone right onto the display. So let's go ahead and load up some YouTube. Let's go ahead and just load this one right here. And we'll make it full screen. Close this up. So very cool that you can just stream directly onto your display. So that's probably going to be one of my favorite features. Even if you guys load up like even TikTok, you're able to just see everything right on there as well. See that? So cool. And the last thing that I did want to show is the backup camera. So go ahead, rear camera right there. All right, and there's the backup camera. Very cool addition to the portable display. If you need to have that backup camera on there, definitely not a bad one. So if you guys are looking for a new portable display, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours.